Jack Ma-linked Yunfeng buys 10,000 ETH for $44 million. Is this Hong Kong's big Ethereum bet? ETH. Ethereum. Hong Kong. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. About author. Hassan. A cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism. Brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. September 2, 2025. Yunfeng Financial Group, a Hong Kong-listed financial services firm with close ties to Alibaba founder Jack Ma, has purchased 10,000 ETH worth about $44 million, marking one of the largest Ethereum acquisitions by a publicly traded company in Asia this year. The purchase, disclosed in a voluntary filing on Tuesday, was funded entirely from Yunfeng's internal cash reserves. The company said the move reflects its strategic expansion into Web3, real-world assets, RWAs, digital currencies, and artificial intelligence. ETH will be booked as an investment on Yunfeng's balance sheet and will serve as part of its reserve assets. Corporate Ethereum reserves climb to $19 billion as Yunfeng enters the market. The filing emphasized that the acquisition is aligned with Yunfeng's long-term strategy. The company said Ethereum's inclusion in its treasury would support tokenization activities for RWAs, provide infrastructure for Web3 innovation, and enhance its ability to integrate financial services with emerging technology. The group also hinted at exploring potential applications for ETH in its insurance business and broader fintech offerings. Yunfeng stressed that it would continue to monitor market developments and regulatory changes before expanding its holdings further. The board cautioned that cryptocurrency remains highly volatile and warned shareholders to exercise care when trading its stock. The Hong Kong Stock Exchange and the local securities regulator also distanced themselves from the contents of the filing, noting that they take no responsibility for its accuracy or completeness. The acquisition places Yunfeng alongside a growing group of corporate and institutional entities treating ETH as a strategic reserve. According to Strategic ETH Reserve, SER, data, structured entities now hold 4.44 million ETH valued at around $19 billion, representing 3.67% of Ethereum's total supply. The largest single holder is Bitmine Immersion Tech, which controls 1.8 million ETH worth roughly $7.7 billion, accounting for more than 40% of all SER reserves. Other major entities include SharpLink Gaming with 797,700 ETH, $3.4 billion, the Ether Machine with 345,400 ETH, $1.5 billion, and the Ethereum Foundation with 231,600 ETH, $1 billion. Coinbase also maintains 136,800 ETH, $588 million, largely tied to customer balances and staking operations. Analysts warn that sustained redemptions could temporarily weigh on prices, even as long-term accumulation by corporations like Yunfeng suggests growing confidence in Ethereum as an institutional-grade asset. The concentration of reserves also remains a key market factor. Bitmine and SharpLink together account for over 58% of all ETH held by SER entities, raising questions about liquidity risks if these major players adjust their positions. Still, the growing role of regulated companies, ETFs, and corporate treasuries shows Ethereum's accelerating adoption among institutional investors. Yunfeng's $44 million move may be small compared with the billions held by global giants, but it carries symbolic weight in Hong Kong, a market positioning itself as a digital asset hub. Japan's corporate crypto adoption surges with multi-billion-dollar treasury plans. While Hong Kong-linked funds are making headlines with Ethereum bets, Japan is quietly building one of the world's most aggressive corporate crypto adoption waves. A string of Tokyo-listed companies has begun reshaping their balance sheets around Bitcoin and altcoins, showing that Asia's crypto race is no longer just about retail traders. On August 31st, Tokyo-based gaming firm Gumi announced plans to purchase 2.5 billion yen, $17 million, worth of XRP before February 2026. The move, approved by its board, reflects Gumi's ties to SBI Holdings, Ripple's closest Japanese partner and largest shareholder. Gumi has also been actively buying Bitcoin, including a $6.5 million acquisition earlier this year, and has even launched a BTC lottery for new shareholders. Executives described the XRP purchase not as speculation but as a strategic initiative to expand into financial services. Japan's corporate push doesn't end there. Beauty chain Convano has unveiled one of the boldest treasury plans yet, seeking to raise 434 billion yen, $3 billion, to buy 21,000 BTC, equal to 0.1% of Bitcoin's supply. Its three-phase program targets 2,000 BTC by the end of 2025. Other listed firms are also scaling up their exposure. On August 25th, 5 Japanese companies disclosed new allocations totaling 156.79 BTC. The standout was Metaplanet, which added 103 BTC for $11.7 million, raising its reserves to 18,991 BTC, worth nearly $2 billion. The company, now among the world's top 7 corporate Bitcoin holders, recently secured a place in the FTSE Japan Index, boosting investor confidence despite stock volatility. Meanwhile, Remix Point Incorporated bought 41.5 BTC for $4.6 million, and ANAP Holdings grew its holdings to 1,017 BTC. Smaller players like Agile Media Network and Def Consulting are also joining the trend, while LibWork, a 3D housing firm, has committed $3.3 million to Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation and a foundation for global expansion. These moves align with Tokyo's policy stance. Finance Minister Katsunobu Kato, speaking at WebEx 2025, called crypto a part of diversified investments, and pledged to build an environment that supports adoption without stifling innovation. Japan is also preparing to roll out its first yen-denominated stablecoin this autumn, led by fintech firm JPYC. The token will target international remittances and corporate settlements, potentially tying together the nation's growing corporate crypto strategies. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. XRP price prediction. Expectations of a Fed rate cut could push Ripple's price up by $10. Insiders recommend FineMining's XRP contracts. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Avalanche and Dogecoin by the end of 2025. New ChatGPT AI predicts the price of XRP, Avalanche and Dogecoin by the end of 2025. Why is crypto down today? September 1st, 2025 WLFI derivatives explode 500% ahead of Trump-linked coins. September 1st token unlock. Price analysis. World Liberty Fi price prediction. Trump's $40 billion coin set to drop. Is WLFI the next 1,000x moonshot? 1 day ago. By Harvey Hunter. Altcoin news. Live Trump-backed World Liberty Financial to unlock 27B tokens at launch. Can WLFI overtake Bitcoin? 1 day ago. By Tanzil Akhtar. Press releases. XRP holders gain new opportunities every day through blockchain cloud mining. Best crypto to buy now in September 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 13 hours ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in September 2025. Top new crypto coins. 6 hours ago. By Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 1 day ago. By Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in September 2025. 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 5 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. Just now. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. For days ago. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2nd, 2025. By Ben Beto.